human beings have this unique and amazing quality that they can imagine and experience things in their mind even before they actually experience it in real life. This is called visualization. And visualization is a powerful tool that uses the power of the mind to create a successful image of yourself in your mind. So, if you can imagine that you are a successful person or you are a successful achiever, then things actually start happening and they take place. Is it all sounding mumbo jumbo? Well, it is not. Because scientific studies have proved that when we imagine and experience certain things in our mind, and when we actually perform them, or when we actually experience those things in real life, some of the many parts of the brain get activated. The same parts get activated when we were visualizing them, and the same parts get activated when we are actually experiencing in real life. This creative visualization strengthens your mind and gives you more power to overcome your obstacles, to overcome your fears, and then become more confident. So, today we are going to try this technique of visualization and see how we can follow it to move on our path towards success. So, why not give it a try? There's no harm in it. But before we actually start the process of this visualization technique, we need to know what success are we going to visualize. Coming to our course, what is the aim of this course? Of course, to see yourself as a good public speaker speaking in front of an audience, and the audience, of course, appreciating you. So, to become a good public speaker is your destination, and this whole process we are going to visualize. So, you have received an invitation and you got a phone call. Mr. So and so, call out your name in your mind, or Miss So and so, we would like to invite you to deliver a speech to our college students on the topic of social media. A week later, you are ready, dressed in your formals, you are entering the auditorium. Picture the auditorium in your mind. It is nearly three-fourths full. There are colorful posters of social medias on the bulletin boards. Now you are ready to begin your speech. Wish them good morning or good afternoon. Begin your speech first of all by just complimenting the audience on what? The beautiful posters that are there of social media on the bulletin boards, and you are delivering this speech with full of excitement. You are using the proper gestures. There are good facial expressions on your face. Your voice is changing. You are modulating your voice using the proper intonation. You are also seeing the audience reaction. They are listening attentively. Some of them are nodding. Some of them are even smiling. And so you are more excited and you are giving your speech very nicely. Now it's time to wrap up your speech. So just a few lines now on the ill effects of social media. You can say, yes, it has its advantages, but there are also some ill effects. Again, you can say that people are scrolling such a lot that the attention span has become less. And so, like every technology, this also has its ill effect. But it depends upon the user to use it wisely and judiciously. Now you end your speech, you are saying, thank you for coming, you were a wonderful audience, and I loved talking to you. Thank you, goodbye. Congratulations, you've delivered a very good speech. Did you see yourself? Could you see the success in your mind? Because if this is what you have seen, this is where you will reach. This was just a small exercise to show you that this is the power of the mind to create a successful image in your mind. Because what the mind decides to do, it shall definitely take place. So this type of creative visualization will help you smoothly move on the way to your success. But does that mean that, okay, now I'm sitting and I've just visualized and I'll become successful? No. This is the first step. After that, this was just the imaginative part. Now you have to put into action all the steps that will be needed to walk towards that final destination of yours. Okay? So, what will we do? Now, I'll just give you a small activity that you can do after you finish watching this video. You will just write means actually write 8 to 10 sentences on any topic that you feel like. It could be, well, even today's topic you can write again on social media, or maybe you can talk about your favorite web series that you've just seen, or your favorite cartoon character, or anything, a visit to the water park, or even something of your own field, whichever you are engaged in. Just write it down, 8 to 10 sentences. Just let the thoughts flow through your pen. No need to just put it in an orderly way. All that written, orderly, systematic presentation we'll be covering up in our future lessons. So, till we meet again, keep on visualizing. If you can visualize it, you will definitely be able to achieve it. So, subscribe to the channel, press the bell icon so that whenever a new video is uploaded, you are immediately notified about it. Take care. Goodbye.